Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young man named Ethan. Ethan was known for his hard work and determination, but no matter how much effort he put into his tasks, he always felt like luck was never on his side. His crops often failed, his business ideas didn't take off, and he constantly compared himself to others who seemed to have everything fall into place effortlessly. One day, feeling disheartened, Ethan decided to visit the village elder, a wise woman named Clara, who was known for her profound insights. "Elder Clara," Ethan said, "why is it that no matter how hard I try, I never seem to be lucky? Is it my fate to struggle forever?" Clara smiled gently and handed Ethan a small, ordinary-looking stone. "This," she said, "is the stone of luck. Carry it with you, and luck will find you. But remember, you must use it wisely." Ethan was skeptical, but decided to give it a try. He carried the stone everywhere in his pocket, on his desk, even under his pillow at night. Days turned into weeks, and at first, nothing changed. Ethan grew frustrated and returned to Clara. "This stone doesn't work. My life is still the same." Clara chuckled softly. "Tell me, Ethan, what have you done differently since you started carrying the stone?" Ethan thought for a moment. "Well, nothing. I just carried it and waited for luck to come." Clara nodded. "Ah, there lies the secret. Luck is not something that simply happens to you. It is something you create. The stone is just a reminder. True luck comes from taking action, learning from failures, and never giving up. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles." Inspired by her words, Ethan decided to change his approach. Instead of waiting for luck, he started taking risks. He studied new farming techniques, sought advice from successful villagers, and even started a small side business selling handmade crafts. At first, he faced setbacks, but he didn't give up. He learned from each failure and kept moving forward. Months later, Ethan's hard work began to pay off. His crops flourished, his business grew, and he became a respected figure in the village. One day, he returned to Clara and handed her the stone. "Thank you, Elder Clara. I've realized that the true secret of luck lies within me." The stone was just a symbol. Clara smiled. "You've discovered the greatest truth, Ethan. Luck is not a matter of chance. It's a matter of choice. When you take responsibility for your life, embrace challenges, and persist through difficulties, you create your own luck." From that day on, Ethan lived with a newfound sense of purpose. He no longer blamed fate or waited for luck to find him. Instead, he became the architect of his own destiny, inspiring others in the village to do the same. And so, the secret of luck was no longer a Mr. Right, was a lesson for everyone to learn. Favors those who believe in themselves. Take action, and never stop striving for a better tomorrow.